Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Microsoft Teams error code 800-80300 that you are experiencing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So if perhaps there's been a fault to your bad update or corrupted Teams, then I'll show you some quick method kung paano natin ito i-fix. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then next step dito lang sa settings, ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay i-select itong apps. So click lang natin yan. And then next step dito lang sa apps and installed apps, makikita mo dito sa taas. So kailangan mo lang yan i-click. And then dito sa installed apps, dito lang sa taas, makikita mo dito yung search apps. And then kailangan mo lang i-type yung Teams. Ayan. So type mo lang siya and then mag-upper ka agad dito. Okay, so kung paano ba natin yan i-fix yung error code 800-80300. Dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click yung tatlong dot. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung advanced options. And then dito sa advanced options, ang next step ay scroll down lang tayo. And then dito lang sa reset mga kaibigan, if this app isn't working right, so we can try to repair it. So kailangan mo lang i-click tong repair. So click lang natin yan. And then wait natin. Alright, so makikita mo dito na completed na yung repair. And the next step, if this app still isn't working right, so kailangan lang natin itong i-reset. Okay, so click mo lang itong reset. And then pop up ito na this will permanently delete the app's data on this device. So click mo lang itong reset and then wait natin. Okay, so completed na yung reset. And then next step ay close lang natin itong settings. And then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang ito. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix error code 800-80300 in Microsoft Teams. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.